Hey everyone, are you always on the hunt for a snack that's fast, healthy, and actually gives you a real energy boost without the crash? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're making some incredible 5-minute honey energy bites. And you guessed it, honey is the absolute star of this super simple no-cook recipe.
Okay, so let's get real for a second. We've all been there. The morning is just a total blur. You're running behind, and you need to grab something, anything to eat. It's so tempting to reach for a sugary pastry or a processed bar, but you know that's just going to lead to that awful energy crash a couple of hours later.
Does this look familiar? You're juggling your keys, your coffee, trying to get out the door, and your stomach is growling? That daily race against the clock usually means good nutrition is the first thing to go. But what if I told you there's a solution you can whip up in less time than it takes to brew your coffee?
Well, there is, and today we're breaking down this fantastic, almost ridiculously simple solution for that morning rush. It is fast, it is so easy, and believe it or not, it's actually really good for you.
So, say hello to your new best friend, the no-bake honey energy bite. The magic words here, you gotta love them, are no-bake and super quick. This isn't about some complicated meal prep that takes all Sunday. Nope, this is about mixing a few simple things in a bowl for an instant, delicious snack.
So, before we jump into the how-to, let's talk for a second about the why. What actually makes these little bites so powerful? It all comes down to this idea of natural energy, which is a total game changer for how you should think about snacking.
And what do we even mean by natural energy? It's really simple. We're talking about fuel that comes from whole foods, things you can actually recognize, like oats, nuts, and of course, honey. It's not from all those refined, processed sugars that just give you a quick spike and then a hard crash. This is about sustained power for your body and your brain.
And check this out, every single ingredient in here is doing a job. The honey, that gives you that quick but natural energy boost. The oats, they've got fiber to keep you feeling full. Then you get a hit of protein and healthy fats from the nut butter, and even some amazing omega-3s from the chia or flax seeds. It's like a little powerhouse team all in one bite.
All right, now for the really fun part. Let's walk through just how easy it is to make these things. I'm not kidding. You are literally just a few minutes away from having a batch of these ready to go. Here's everything you're gonna need, and just look at how simple this list is. Half a cup of peanut butter, a third of a cup of honey, 1 cup of oats, a couple of tablespoons of seeds, a little dash of cinnamon. I mean, you probably have most of this stuff in your kitchen right now. And hey, if you're feeling a little extra, feel free to toss in some chocolate chips or nuts.
And the process? It couldn't be easier. Seriously, it's 3 steps. First, mix your wet ingredients, the peanut butter and honey, in a bowl. Step 2, dump in all the dry stuff, oats, seeds, cinnamon. And step 3, just mix it all up until it gets sticky and then roll it into little balls. That's it. No oven, no mixer, just mix, roll, and you're basically done.
Now, you could technically eat these right after you roll them, but the source material has a couple of pro tips that will take these bites from just good to, oh my gosh, these are amazing. Let's check them out. Okay, this first tip is technically optional, but trust me on this one, it's so worth it. Just pop them in the fridge for about 10 or 15 minutes. This lets the bites firm up a little bit. It makes them way less sticky, so much easier to store, and just perfect for grabbing on your way out the door. And here's my favorite part. A fantastic idea straight from the source. Right before you serve them or eat them, just drizzle a tiny bit more honey right over the top. It creates what the author calls a honey highlight, this beautiful, glossy finish that adds just a touch more sweetness and makes them look absolutely gourmet. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You see, the best part of this recipe is just how simple and versatile it is. The source mentions adding chocolate chips or nuts, but what about shredded coconut? Or maybe some dried cranberries. So the real question is, for you, now that you've got the basic recipe down, what are you going to add to make them your own?